Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to apply pattern design to clothes in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the t-shirt. After make a perfect selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. And after that, go to File, Place Embedded and import the design and transform it to the size of the shirt and hit OK. And create a clipping mask and change that blend mode to multiply and go to blending options and move the white underlying slider to the left side and break it by holding Alt and drag with click and hit OK, and pattern design is added to the cloth. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.